Hi everyone, today October 31, Halloween today. I already finished filming in the walking street today, and also you can watch also live stream. Now we in the Clark CDC Park. I want only little bit talk with our subscribers and who watch this video. Yesterday, Shaira's father asked me, Leon, your CCTV camera is working good or not? I said, yes, okay, what happened? He said, this is time, very dangerous time in the Philippines. He said, even in our barangay, sometimes have problem, and you need to check CCTV camera because sometimes have some accident or some happen. I said, okay, of course, I will check CCTV camera. And now I want to talk with Shaira. Shaira will say what happened and why.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's October 31 and it's holiday here until November 2. And right now, the holiday is Halloween party. And most of the time right now is dangerous from October to December because so many criminals right now finding some money or taking money from home, from civilian who walking in outside or in the jeepney. So I will say what you need to do if you're making you feel in danger. So if you're in a mall or you're walking in a public place, so you need to move more in the more people so that if someone who take your pocket or your things, they can arrest it faster and they can call police already. And if you're in home, you need to if you're leaving the home, you need to secure all windows, doors are locked, and even your cars also you need to secure if it's closed or not. You need to secure it so that most of the people are not take your things inside the cars because our turnips here are so pasta and so easy to take your things here in home or in the cars. They can take some, like wires only and then they can open your car. Also in jeepney, if you're sitting in a jeepney or taking some jeepney, you need to secure or ensure that your what is this bag are in the front. If you're using backpack, you need to put also in the front. You need to do like this because you don't know if your left or side people are turnips or to good people. So, but just only be careful only. And also, if you're traveling from province to Philippines, to province to here in Pampanga, you need to take a look your things, even in backpack because most of our turnips are, they will snatch, they do some use knife, and they will slash your bag.
Do you have some, your friend or you have some problem in this time before?
Before?
Yes, before.
Oh. Maybe, yes, before someone who take our things in home. And in our place already, I seen in the video, someone even they use tricycle with her family, and some vehicle with motor, they take their gold.
Gold?
Yes, necklace. That's also that one. If you go outside, not need to be like social, social. You need to they can see your gold here, gold here, gold here. They can snatch it faster. So you need
Okay, why you use gold right now?
Because I do like this.
Okay.
We go to McDo, we go to Clark. But if you go to public place like a market, some parties like this, they can pass take and took it like this. So most of our securities, police are more hard work right now because of a lot of kidnaps right now here in the Philippines, even in other countries maybe. Because it's Vermont, most of people are asking for money, take me some money, and they want to buy some, you know, it's not good.
You already know about situation in the Philippines right now in this time. I know many people want to visit Philippines, but you need to more attention because this time very dangerous time in the Philippines. It's not. I don't want to say not you not need to go to the Philippines. You just need to more attention. Only more attention. Hold your bag, hold your phones. If some happen, you just only need to go to police station and report. Now we walking in the CDC park with Shaira. Many people walk also here. This is good looking park.
I'm good looking also.
Shaira always good looking, yes.
And coffee also.
Shaira like McDonald's and we stop in McDonald's, she eat, take coffee also.
So that I can sleep faster.
You drink coffee and you can sleep faster.
Yes.
Interesting.
Because our subscriber don't know that I have it's not easy for me to sleep every night. That's why sometimes you cannot see me good talking right now because I need more sleep. I cannot sleep in night, so most of the time I drink hard coffee so that I can sleep.
After you drink hard coffee, you can faster sleep.
Yes, rather than the what is this 3-in-1. I need hard coffee or drink. Yes.
Strong coffee, not hard.
Or hard
strong coffee.
hard
Yes.
alcohol and strong coffee. I need I need in my body.
I remember when we traveling in Pattaya, near festival, Central Festival in Pattaya, have one coffee shop, very strong coffee.
Yes, so strong.
Even Shaira said very strong. She never drinks with coffee in the Philippines. Really strong, Shaira.
Yes, so strong. Here you can drink, the espresso. But really, the espresso there is so strong. Even you cannot sleep really. But here, you can drink like this, you can sleep.
Maybe this is coffee shop name also, Strong Coffee. I remember. So already won't go to home, Shaira. I know why. She want to buy vape today. Yes?
Yes.
Shaira like vape.
Because I clean my clothes before.
Okay, let's go.